In questions 5 and 6, you're asked to have a look to see what happens when you change the period. Now, first up, period is going to be dilated by a factor of 1 over n. So we work out the period in each case. So when we've got y is equal to sine 2x, period then is 2 pi over 2, which is pi, which means that this pattern is going to be repeated every pi. In other words, a complete period every pi. So I have to squeeze a few more in. Looking at my calculator, you can see I've got the 2 sine x factor there. So we have a look there from sine 2x. Now you can see there a much tighter period. So we'll keep that in mind as we do our graphing. There is no change to the amplitude as we do this, but I've got to get in a total of 1 period for every pi. So when I look at that, it's going to be a bit of a squeeze, about here and about there, halving so, and I'll try and replicate that reasonably smoothly for the next one. Going to left of 0, so in other words, period of pi, which means the wave pattern repeats every pi. Now, when we have a look at the next one, which is a sine of a half x, we'll work the period out. Which ends up being 4 pi. So when we come to graphing this, we'll put that one in. I'll change that to a half x, and we'll see what happens. And you can see there, between 2 pi, negative 2 pi, and pi, my wave pattern is only replicated once, as associated with period of 4 pi. Now, please take some time to consider this and make sure you're not confusing the horizontal dilation, which is the factor in front of the x there, with the amplitude change.